Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to do a review on this portable air pump for cars, for motorcycle, for bicycle, for smoke balls, balloons, um, anything you can name of, anything that need to be pump for air. So okay, so I bought this on Amazon, for $19.99, plus tax is around like 21 something. And actually I have I was fortunate that it was 50% off. So when I compare this item on Temu, so Temu also sell the same item, and I think it matched the price of Temu. So that's the reason why I bought this one on Amazon. By Amazon, support our economy, and also faster shipping, and also the ease of returning the item. If you don't like it, you can always return it faster and quicker than Temu. So, and let me open up this box. I have used this one already for a couple of days, and I find it's very good item. It's a good item. It's very useful for every family to have in their car or in their house. Because there's a lot of items that we need to pump air in, right? Like balloon for birthday, balls for the kids to play, and here are the everything's in here, right? The menu booklets right here. Okay, so let me show you guys the menu booklet real quick. You see it comes along with a USB right here. It doesn't come with the cigarette right here, charger, charging later, cigarette lighter, charging cable. This one doesn't come with that. It's optional. It comes along with multifunction nosy. Okay. Sorry for all my mispronunciation. And let me get closer. Then you guys can pause this video and take a look at this. Okay, you get the numbers. Okay, so let me skip that. So quicker. Okay, I don't want the video too long. USB right here, charger. The hose to pump the air in for. Okay, and you have to install this in here. Okay, if you're not using it, you can do like this, bend it and put it right here. Save your space. Just like that. All right. Yeah, let me take this up. Okay, and this is the light. Okay, let me turn on this item. The item is on. Okay, if you want to turn on the light, and this is the button to turn on the light right here. Ooh, it's pretty bright. Okay, the red light, emergency light, and press one more, and flash and quicker, faster, and one more, and turn off. Okay, and the battery live right here. And this one's the down, and this one's up, and this one's the mode. This is on the car mode right now. Motorcycle. This one is a PSI. Okay. And now this is the bicycle tire, and this is the balls. Okay, and the last one is let me see. I don't know the last one. Okay. Oh, actually, it's a PSI. Okay. No, I'm sorry, my bad. I don't know what the last one is. Okay, so let me leave at the bores, okay? Because I'm going to demonstrate you guys how to pump, how fast I can pump on the empty bore, okay? So I got the USB right here to charge your phone, and you've got a USB-C right here. Yep, USB-C. Number 7. Yep, USB-C charging port right here. Right, and USB right here, light right here, and okay, and I show you the bottom like this. That's where to get the air in, and over here too, right here, on the vent. All right. So and let me get all these multi-function noses or noses. I don't know. I put. So again, this one is for the maybe the car, the bicycle, and the motorcycle, and this one is for anything like one of those donuts for swimming, inflatable. Yeah, my bad. Okay, for any inflatable item, you can use this nose right here, and another nose is this one, another inflatable, I guess, and this one for the bars. Okay, so let me put this in here right here. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate you guys how to pump up the bars. Okay. Okay, I got I have 3 different balls, okay, basketball, volleyball, and football. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate you guys how quick this can pump. Okay, and I empty all the air out already, so basically it's all empty. So I'm going to turn the switch to mode bars. You see all the bar here, right here, bars, and it's to put out PSI is 8. Okay, so I'm going to try the basketball first. Okay, where's the hole? I need to find the hole. Ooh, oh, right here. Okay, put it in, baby. Okay, right here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, it's shut down by itself, so it's reached the maximum, right? Shut by itself. So for the basketball, it takes less than a minute. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it takes 1 minute to pump the basketball. Let's try the volleyball. Okay, the volleyball, how long will it take to pump this baby here? Oh, there's a hole right here. Stick it in. Oh, jeez. Have to be careful, Okay, right here. So, let's pump it, baby. again, it's pretty good. It takes less than 1 minute to pump the volleyball. Oh man, that's pretty good. You know, for $19.99, this is a good item. So now it's the football. Okay, here we go. Let's try the hole. You know. Okay, here's the hole right here. So put it in. Okay, here you go the football. How long will it take? Yep, the football, it takes only up around 30 seconds or less to pump the football. See that? It's all good. Okay, it shut down by itself, guys. It's automatically shut down by itself. So turn off by itself. So this is a good item, and I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna put down, you know, on the title the name of and the model of this air pumper, portable. Okay, remember this is portable air pump. Okay, so okay, that's it. I think the video is too long, so thanks for watching, and you know, please give me a like and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye now.